Hey there everyone, welcome to another video of Foxandroid. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to implement WhatsApp intent into our Android application, right? By WhatsApp intent, I mean that if you want your user to directly send a text message to a certain mobile number from your app, right? Whenever a user clicks a button, then he should be routed to WhatsApp app and to that particular numbers message screen, and the message will be typed off in there only, right? You must have seen this feature in many apps. For example, if you want to contact a customer care service through WhatsApp of certain apps, then you are directly routed to their number, right? So we're going to learn how to implement that. So first let me show you what we're going to get by the end of this video, right? So if you can see on my mobile screen right now, so I have this screen on which there is this country code for the mobile number, and there are two edit text input fields, right? The first one is mobile number and the second one is message. So in the first one, we need to type mobile number, right? So if I type some mobile number, right, and if I just type in some message, hi, I am testing my app, right? Now if I click on this send button, so I go to this WhatsApp, and here you can see I am on the screen of that particular number, the message screen, the chat box, right? And on the bottom, the same message has been typed. So if I click on send, the message has been sent, right? So this was just a geomart customer care number, so I guess this is just a dummy message. So the idea is this is how this implementation will work, right? I hope that you got the brief idea about that. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving the notification of the upcoming videos. And by the end of the video, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So to start off with, if we want to implement that country code picker, we need to implement a library. So I have this here. I'll just copy this. We'll go to app level build.gradle. We'll paste it here and click on sync now. So if you want to implement the same thing, you can just copy in this library, right? You can type it and sync the project. So okay guys, the sync has been completed. Now we'll go to our XML file. So here I'll just delete this and I'll change this layout to linear layout. Perfect. So here I'll just do that basic, I'll just add those basic elements, the country code picker, two edit text fields and a button. I'll just quickly add those things, then I'll explain it, right? So guys, that is it for the front end part, right? We have implemented this country code picker, two edit tags and a button. I guess this is quite a normal thing. I don't think so I need to explain or get into details of these things, right? So now I'll quickly go to the backend code. So we'll go to the main activity Java file, right? So here we need to declare certain variables. The very first one is country code picker. We'll just name it as country code picker only, and then two edit text both the phone number and the message, right? Then we need one button variable. We'll name it as send button. Then we'll need two strings for storing the message and the phone number. Phone str, just initialize it, right? Then we'll quickly refer to these elements, the XML elements, with the help of find view by ID, right? So we have referred to all the 4 elements here. Now we'll set the on-click listener on the send button. So inside this on-click listener, message str is equal to, we'll get the message that the user has typed into the edit text field, right? And we'll store that into this message string variable, and we'll get the phone number as well, right? phone.getText.toString. Now here we'll check if both the strings are not empty. With the help of this isEmpty function, then we are going to perform certain action in here, but we'll just write it afterwards. In the else, we'll raise a toast, we'll pass the context, it can't be empty, right? As it is a long message, we'll set the duration as long, and we'll do this show thing, right? Here we'll create a method is WhatsApp installed to check if WhatsApp is installed in the user's device or not, right? We'll make a package manager variable, object of that, sorry. A Boolean variable WhatsApp installed, and inside this try So guys, in the try block, we have just got this get package info method. We have called this. If the app is not installed, that means this package is not there in the user's device. Then error will be thrown, and then we'll go to this catch block, and inside this catch block we have set the WhatsApp installed boolean variable as false. But if the error is not thrown, that means this package exists. We have set the WhatsApp installed to true and we have returned it. So we'll just use this method to check if WhatsApp is installed or not, right? Now we'll go here, if is WhatsApp installed. If this is true, that means the WhatsApp is installed in user's device. Then we'll make object of intent dot action view URI dot parse. Now here https /API dot whatsapp.com send phone number is equal to, now we'll just add the phone number, right? Okay, here we need to get the phone number as well. So to add the country code, registered, we'll just do this. Get full number, right? So here we got the full mobile number. So basically what it does is just add the country code prefix to the mobile number, right? So we'll just add this in here and we'll do add and text plus message str, right? Start activity, will pass the intent object. Sorry, we'll set the edit text as empty after doing our work. Phone dot set text as empty. Else, if the app is not installed, we'll just let the user know that the app is not installed, basically. So we'll just raise a toast dot this WhatsApp is not installed, right? We'll keep the length short only, dot show. So I guess we are pretty much done in here. So here we have made a method which will check if WhatsApp is installed or not. Then here we got the strs. We have checked if both the strings are not empty. Then we have got the full mobile number into phone str. Then we have make the intent object, start the activity, set the edit text to as empty. Basically, if the app is not installed, we have let the user know by raising a toast, and if any of the string is empty, then this toast will be raised. So I guess we have done everything. Now I'll quickly install this app to my cell phone and check if it is working fine or not, right? Okay guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone, but we have done a mistake here, a little mistake, right? So basically the text that we are typing is not going to the chat screen. So I've just figured it out that we need to forget this is equal to in here. So that is it. We need to type and text is equal to message str. So now let's just install this app and check if it is working or not, right? So guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone. If you can see on my mobile screen, I'll just quickly type in the number 8500 08000 and hi there, right? If I click on the send button, we go to WhatsApp, and you can see here the same number and hi there is there. I just send it. Okay, the message has been sent. So I guess we have successfully implemented this, right? I hope you understood the code. In case you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram username will be there on your screen right now. And if you want the source code, the link for the source code is in the description. You can just go to that link and check out the source code as well. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So that was it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.